How to download WhatsApp on laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can download WhatsApp on laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically download WhatsApp on laptop, if your Windows computer comes with Windows 10 or Windows 11, you'll find Microsoft Store. So you can actually open up your Microsoft Store. Then in the search bar you can simply type in WhatsApp. Then you'll find the WhatsApp application right over here. So now you can just go ahead and open up WhatsApp over here and then just click the download or the install or the get button. Now because in my case I've already downloaded it, you're seeing the open button. So in my case I can actually go ahead and then open the WhatsApp application and just log into my account if I wanted to. And this way you should be able to download WhatsApp on laptop. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.